What's happening, iPad fans? Get ready for a rapid-fire download of the hottest Apple news. We're kicking things off with Sanghamitra Saha's latest insights into the market and what it means for you. Next up, Apple has just dropped a massive security update for iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, patching dozens of vulnerabilities that could impact your devices. We've got all the details on what's fixed and why it's so important. Then, get ready for a comeback story. Early pre-order data is showing incredible demand for the new iPhone 17 and its ultra-thin Air model, proving Apple might still be a hitmaker after all. And finally, a critical security fix is being backported by Apple to address a sophisticated spyware attack that exploited a vulnerability in the Image I/O component. We'll break down CVE 2025-43300 and what it means for your security. You won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Sanghamitra Saha reveals key trading insights. Better trading starts here, according to Sanghamitra Saha's latest analysis. While specific details of the trading strategies or market predictions are not elaborated upon in the provided text, Saha's commentary is positioned as a guide for improving trading practices. The focus appears to be on empowering individuals with the knowledge to make more informed decisions in the financial markets, suggesting a content tailored for those interested in ETF news and commentary. The implication is that following Saha's advice can lead to more effective and successful trading endeavors. This information is crucial for traders looking to navigate the complexities of the market and enhance their performance. The community is likely keen to understand the actionable advice Saha offers to improve their own trading outcomes. Stay tuned as we unpack more market-moving news. Next, we're diving into a crucial security update from Apple that you need to know about. Apple drops major security update for iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. Apple has released a comprehensive security update addressing 27 vulnerabilities across multiple system components for iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. This critical patch targets devices from iPhone 11 onwards and various iPad generations, reinforcing the company's commitment to user safety. The update tackles issues in crucial areas like WebKit, the Apple Neural Engine, kernel, EOKit, and Sandbox. Notably, WebKit vulnerabilities could lead to Safari crashes and unexpected process termination, while the Neural Engine had an out-of-bounds access issue, causing system crashes. The kernel update fixes a logic issue exposing network communications, and Sandbox updates prevent applications from breaking out of security restrictions. Media components like Core Audio and Core Media are patched against memory corruption from malicious files, and the audio component receives improved bounds checking. Furthermore, sensitive data access vulnerabilities are resolved across system services, including Apple Mobile File Integrity, Bluetooth, and Siri, ensuring better privacy and preventing unauthorized access to user data and lock screen information. Users are strongly encouraged to install this security update immediately to protect against potential exploitation. The tech community is buzzing about the thoroughness of the patches and Apple's proactive approach to security, with many praising the researchers who responsibly disclosed these vulnerabilities. Don't go anywhere, we've got more breaking Apple news coming your way. Up next, we're talking about a surprising comeback in iPhone sales that's got Wall Street talking. iPhone 17 and Air model pre-orders signal a strong comeback for Apple. Despite a year that felt like a year of woe for Apple, with a dip in share price and analyst downgrades, early pre-order data for the new iPhone 17 and its ultra-thin Air model suggests a significant rebound is underway. This hardware surge could mark a turning point for the tech giant, reminiscent of its past successes. The demand for the new iPhone variants is reportedly outpacing last year's models, with ship dates for the iPhone 17 being the highest since the iPhone 11, according to Bank of America analysts. JP Morgan notes this surge in demand. A key driver, identified by Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives, is that a full one-fifth of the world's 1.5 billion iPhone users haven't upgraded in at least 4 years, setting the stage for a massive upgrade cycle in 2025. This phenomenon is often a strong indicator of future sales success and a positive indicator for Apple's stock performance. This news has generated considerable excitement among investors and consumers alike, with many seeing it as a sign of Apple's enduring appeal and innovation. The potential for a massive upgrade cycle has analysts optimistic about the company's future performance. But the Apple news doesn't stop there. We've got one more critical update. Coming up, we reveal how Apple is backporting a fix for a sophisticated spyware attack. Apple backports critical fix for exploited spyware vulnerability, CVE 2025-43300. Apple has proactively backported fixes for CVE 2025-43300, a high-severity out-of-bounds write vulnerability in the image I/O component, which has been actively exploited in sophisticated spyware attacks against targeted individuals. This crucial update ensures broader protection across various older iOS and iPadOS versions. This vulnerability, carrying a CVSS score of 8.8, could lead to memory corruption when processing malicious image files. Apple confirmed awareness of its exploitation in extremely sophisticated attacks. WhatsApp also acknowledged that this flaw was chained with another vulnerability, CVE 2025-55177, in highly targeted spyware attacks aimed at fewer than 200 individuals globally. While initially patched in recent updates like iOS 18.6.2 and iPadOS 18.6.2, the fix is now available for older systems including iPadOS 17.7.10, macOS Ventura 13.7.8, and macOS Sonoma 14.7.8, alongside other system updates and new OS versions like iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. Security experts and users are emphasizing the importance of applying these updates promptly, as the exploitation of CVE 2025-43300 highlights the persistent threats from advanced spyware. The swift backporting by Apple demonstrates a strong commitment to safeguarding its user base against such targeted attacks. And that's all the Apple news you need to know for today. Make sure to stay subscribed for more in-depth tech updates. And that's a wrap on today's Apple news. We covered Sanghamitra Saha's trading insights, Apple's massive security update for iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, the strong pre-order demand for the iPhone 17 and its Air model, and the critical backporting of a fix for a sophisticated spyware attack. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to iPad Focus for all your Apple updates, hit that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.